This is a brief statement from O'Gorman solicitors in relation to this case that has been decided by the jury today. So many lives ruined for years and years. Eamon O'Neill and his co-accused have been fully acquitted. Their families have been devastated. The state with all its power came after Eamon O'Neill and other accused. The state said yes, and the jury have said no. The people speak, and the state must and will listen. We are the people. Supreme Court Judge Peter Charlton has said in another court, the state say the accused are corrupt, and the accused say the state is corrupt. We know the accused are not corrupt. Now it's time to see if the state has been corrupt. The newly minted Commissioner, Justin Kelly, the Minister and the State must take steps immediately to restore the people's confidence in the state. There are immediate steps that can be taken today, now. And if Commissioner Justin Kelly doesn't know what they are, he can call me. Thank you very much.